the best application around the world. If you're looking somewhere to stay, traveling, you can book anywhere just using this application. I'm going to show you how and best places you can find when using this application here. Stay tuned. This is pretty much a home screen, and here you pretty much have a lot of places will be showing. So once you're connected to the internet, it will show you location based on where you are at the moment. So as I can see, a lot of places are being rented for the night. As you can see, here 2 nights, you can see the prices, you can see everything, guys. Also the rating for the places you can see as well. So when it comes to selecting the best place, do make sure you check on the ratings and what people say about the places. So let's say, for example, the guest favorites. So these are the popular ones in my location or in my area. So if I scroll down a bit, you can scroll down and see what you get with the place. You get kitchen, Wi-Fi, pets are allowed, pretty much shows you everything. And you can pretty much tap on this here to show all of the things that will be getting with the place that you're booking. Also, if you scroll down some more, you'll see where the location is. Some of the times they won't give you the exact location until you officially book it. Also, you can reserve your spot as well. You can do that in advance. Down here, you can see all the reviews that people have made when they have visited this place. So do make sure to check on the reviews. You can tap on show all to see all the reviews or comments that people have made on this here. So you can see the cleanness, accuracy, check-in, communication, pretty much everything. So if I scroll at the top here as well, I can see the experiences of others and so forth, and also who is hosting this place here. I can scroll across to see images of the place that we'll be booking. So as you can see here, and if you like it, you can either go ahead and save it, or you can share it with a friend and family, whatever the case is. So it's all dependent upon you guys. So in the wish list, it's pretty much where you'll be seeing all your favorite locations that you have saved previously, and also which you have viewed. So if I go in the explore section again, you can also book experiences as well, not just places. You can book experiences. And here you have the ride and horse rural settings. Here you can also book this as well. You can pretty much see the date and everything, what they would do, pretty much everything. And always go in the reviews, guys. Always go in the reviews to check if this area that a lot of people have visited is good, and the comments on it and everything. So as you can see, it's very good based on all of these reviews, and it has over 95 reviews, and the stars are very good. It's a 4.98 star. It's very good. So yeah, it's safe to say it can work. And also you have the meeting point as well, and you can see also the person that's hosting this place here, or this experience, I should say. So that's pretty much it for that. They're very easy to use, and the messages will be shown over here if you have any message from someone or anything like that. In the profile option over here, you can also see the past places that you have visited, also people you have connection with, and so forth. You can also become a host yourself, meaning you can post things to pretty much, as always see people post here, you can do the same as well. So do make sure you go into the account settings and personal information, and make sure you do fill up all the information so you get the best experience when using the application. You don't have any problems or anything. Payments option, you already know how to pay and so forth. So you have also the translation here. If you don't understand certain language, it will pretty much translate it for you. And that's pretty much it for this application. It's very straightforward, very easy to use. Anyone can use it. And if I missed anything in this tutorial, please comment below. Glad to assist you as it relates to this application. And we'll see you guys in the next tutorial.